Did you know criminals once tried to steal the world's biggest diamond with a bulldozer? In 2000, a gang planned the most daring heist in British history. They would ram a JCB digger straight through the Millennium Dome's walls, smash the diamond display, then escape by speedboat down the Thames River. But police had been watching for months. When the criminals struck, armed officers were waiting inside. A massive gunfight erupted in the dome as the elaborate sting operation unfolded, catching the thieves completely off guard.